In a city where rain writes stories on glass, a quiet staircase descends into an empty underground arcade. The explorer follows damp graffiti into a forgotten tunnel that once fed the streets with life and steam. Old valves sigh as lights flicker, revealing a cavern of echoing footsteps and a map of long-vanished routes. They document the space with careful shots, uncovering a tactile memory of transit, bustle, and urban memory. Leaving at dawn, the city wakes above, unaware of the treasure hidden beneath its neon hum for the city.